Now, another thing I want to mention really important, it's a lot thinner than their Wi-Fi 6 access points, a lot thinner. Hello and welcome back. So today I'm doing basic unboxing of a brand new access point from TP-Link, model number EAP773. This unit recently came out here in Canada, and I'm doing a voiceover in post-production because the quality of my camera mic is kind of horrible, but I digress. So pretty standard unboxing here, nothing too special. When I held this access point for the first time in my hands out of the box right about now in this video, I was quite impressed by the weight. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. I'll tell you right away, I've been playing with this access point for the past few hours. The build quality is great. Same build quality, I would say, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, just like Ubiquiti access points. The whole bottom of the access point is a single piece of metal. Now, the mounting hardware in that box, you get basically, I would say, all the necessary mounting hardware when it comes to installing this access point on drywall, brick, ceiling, wall, and drop ceiling. The reason I'm saying drop ceiling right now, washers. This access point comes with 4 nice large washers. In my previous installations I have worked on, some access points do not come with washers, and if they do come with washers, they're kind of tiny. And the bracket where the access point gets secured has a bunch of different holes if you're going to be using aftermarket, some aftermarket face plates for drywall or ceiling, whatever you want to call those face plates or plates. Not plates, brackets, drywall brackets. I'm sorry, I got the name wrong. Drywall brackets. Also, 4 mounting points on that bracket. Now, back to the access point. Once again, build quality is great. The whole bottom of the access point is a single piece of metal to dissipate heat. The upper portion is plastic. There's an LED light to see the status of the access point. The LED light will also change the status, will change the color depending how you power your access point. Now, another thing I want to mention really important, it's a lot thinner than their Wi-Fi 6 access points, a lot thinner. So if that is something really important for you, this will not be a sore eye on the ceiling. Also comes the DC jack here, you'll see in a second. And that's one thing I understand. Why are these access points still coming with DC jack? That's extra cost to design and manufacture these access points. Get rid of the DC jack. Just give us the Ethernet port and the reset button. That's all we need. And that's it for now. I've been testing this for the past few hours. That second part is coming up. That second part video is coming up. Don't forget to subscribe to see it. And I will see you next time.